Welcome. Today we are going to make 5 types of gravy for chapati. First one is mushroom gravy. For this, heat a fry pan. Pour 3 teaspoons of oil. Add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 small sized cinnamon, 2 cloves, and 2 dried red chilies. Saute it for few seconds. Now add 2 finely chopped onions. Saute it for 2 minutes. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute it until its smell goes. Now add 2 chopped tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of salt, and saute it until the tomatoes are cooked. Now add 200 grams of mushroom and mix it. Now add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, and half teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix it well. Close with the lid and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid and add half teaspoon of salt. Now pour a little amount of water. Close the pan and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the pan and add quarter cup of curd, and mix it. Now sprinkle some coriander leaves over the curry. Mushroom gravy is ready now. Next variety, Paneer butter masala. Heat a fry pan. Add 2 teaspoons of oil. Add 2 diced onions and saute it until it turns to golden brown color. Now add 4 chopped tomatoes. Saute it until the tomatoes are cooked well. Now add 10 cashew nuts, 1 cardamom, 2 cloves, 3 small pieces of cinnamon. Saute it for few seconds and transfer it to the blender jar. Grind it nicely. Now heat a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Add half bay leaf, half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it until the smell goes. Now add the grinded onion tomato paste. Pour a little amount of water. Add half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add little water as per your consistency. Close the pan and cook for 10 minutes. Take 200 grams of paneer and cut it as cubes, like this. Now add it into the gravy and cook for 5 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cream. Mix it and switch off. Paneer gravy is ready now. Next variety is veg kurma. For this, add 1/4 cup of grated coconut in blender jar. With this, add 10 cashew nuts, 2 cinnamons, 2 cloves, 1 cardamom, 2 green chilies, and little amount of water. Grind it like this. Keep this aside. Now take half cup of carrot in a pressure cooker. With this, add half cup of chopped potato, 1/4 cup of green peas, half cup of beans, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 cup of water. Wait for single whistle and keep this aside. Now heat the pan. Pour 3 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 sliced onion. Saute it for 2 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Saute it until the raw smell goes. Now add cooked vegetables. Keep it for 1 minute. Now add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and grinded coconut paste. Add little amount of water. Salt 1 teaspoon. Close the pan and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 1/4 cup of curd and cook for 2 minutes. Now the veg kurma is ready. Next variety is chickpeas curry. Take 1½ cup of chickpeas. Soak it in water around 6 hours. Cook it in pressure cooker. Now add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil in a pan. Once the oil is heated, add 1 cup of grated coconut, ½ teaspoon of cumin seeds. Saute it until the coconuts are brown. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Saute it for few seconds and transfer it to the blender jar. With this, add some cooked chickpeas and little amount of water. Grind it like this. Now pour 2 teaspoons of coconut oil in a fry pan. Add 1 sliced onion, and saute it until it transforms to translucent. Now add 1 chopped tomato, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it for few minutes until the smell fades. Add a teaspoon of salt. Now add the cooked chickpeas, grinded coconut paste, and pour some amount of water. Mix it well. Then close the pan and cook it around 10 minutes. Transfer this into a serving bowl. Now heat a pan, pour 2 teaspoons of oil. Now add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once it is crackled, add 6 chopped shallots, 1 sprig of curry leaves, and 2 dried red chilies. Saute it very few seconds and sprinkle over the curry. Next variety is capsicum gravy. Heat a fry pan, pour 3 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add mustard seeds. Once it is crackled, add 1 sprig of curry leaves, and 2 diced onions. Saute it for 2 minutes. Add 1 diced capsicum. Saute it for 2 minutes. Now add 2 chopped tomatoes. Close the pan and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the pan. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 cup of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, and salt 1 teaspoon. Saute it 2 minutes. Now pour 1 glass of water, then close the pan and cook it around 10 minutes. Now add 50 grams of grinded peanuts, 1 teaspoon of sugar, cook it around 2 minutes and switch off. Now the side dish for chapati are ready. Now try the recipes and post your feedback. Please subscribe, comment, share and like the video. Thanks for watching.